Alright, so the people with the fusions, 13 on up, this has to be a titanium level where this outer ring will light up on it. I changed the programming of the taillight style, therefore this bottom lights will light up with it. And as you see, my outer edge light does not light up. But on this one here, you see it all lights up. What I did here, I've been playing around with the wires here, you probably won't be able to see. But there's one wire that goes to the outer edge light. And I got that tapped into the one with the turn signal. So I'll go ahead and open the door. Ouch. Got my finger caught on the door. And you see on this one here, it lights up, but it's not flashing with the tail light. As this whole piece lights up on it. So like I said, I just tapped two wires together, the turn signal and the outer edge light. Therefore this outer edge will flash with this light here. Here's another view of this one here. And here's the other one. This one here hasn't been messed with. But when I did that, the only thing I noticed, when I open a door, that side here, well, this quit flashing. So I'm still kind of trying to experiment on this to see how to get it to flash.